In this video, I will show you how to make a Google slide. First, open Google Chrome and click here. After that, find you Google slide. This is Google slide. Click and blank presentation. Click. After that, blank slide. Click. This is a view open and full view. First slide. This is the interface. You can write anything XYZ. Okay, and this cancel and delete. I want a new slide. Create here, click and new slide. This is a new slide. Second and new slide. Create third and fourth and 5. This is a 5 my slide. Okay, you can see different. If you want AI generated slide, so I want click here, create a slide. A prompt, I have a prompt. This paste here and few wait, generated my slide. You can see complete generated my slides. Here click and insert. So slide is complete 5th number. Okay, so if you want banana, use any image. Here click and paste prompt, image generated. So this way use is different prompt use and slide is amazing created. Oh, okay, so this slide everything changed, you can see. First blank select, after that insert. Okay, and adjust according you. After that blank slide and delete it. First and second and slide delete and 2 slide. Okay, ready, and I want and save. This is my slide and second slide this here. If you want download slide, so file section, go to and download and PowerPoint and PDF, PNG. So I want PowerPoint download. Okay, and PPT and select folder, download and save. You can see my PowerPoint, save it, but not PowerPoint install, not open. So I want and download PDF, select folder, this folder, and you can see open PDF and again open. This is my presentation, you can see. Okay, so this way use different AI help. So slide created like search, like image, like generated image with prompt and Gemini, and many sources use slides, very beautiful created. This video if you informative, so like and subscribe.